Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by defining why you need a fingerprint replica and securing explicit permission. This protects you and the subject. Once done, select a commercial, skin-safe molding kit and read its safety guidelines. Make sure to work in a well-ventilated area and wear gloves. Follow kit steps exactly rather than improvising. You should never attempt replicas for unauthorized access. Keep a clear, legal use case and document consent before proceeding to material preparation and the first impression step. Next, capture a clear impression using the kit's recommended workflow. Prepare the material per the instructions and make a single, careful press to record ridge detail. Once the impression is set, mix the provided casting medium exactly as directed. Timing matters for fidelity. After pouring and curing, demold gently and inspect for defects. If your goal is a prop or prosthetic refined surface detail with safe, approved tools, remember, keep these replicas confined to legitimate uses and secure storage. To complete the piece, trim flash carefully and smooth edges with approved finishing tools. Test only as a demonstrative prop on consenting devices or fixtures. Document the kit batch, materials used, and explicit consent to maintain an audit trail. If the ridge detail is weak, do not attempt risky fixes, discard the impression, and repeat the capture using a fresh molding kit following the same safe protocol. If you encounter unexpected behavior, consult the kit manufacturer or a licensed prosthetics professional for guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.